Fast, simple, and built for the future. Today we're talking about Go, also known as Golang, one of the fastest growing programming languages in the world. In the next minutes, you'll know exactly what it is, why it's so powerful, and how you can start coding with it right now. Go is an open-source programming language developed by Google in 2007 and officially released in 2009. It's designed for simplicity, performance, and scalability. Unlike some languages that get slower as projects grow, Go stays lightning fast, perfect for modern cloud-based apps, APIs, and big data systems. Here's why Go is loved by developers and companies alike. Speed, compiles directly to machine code for maximum performance. Simplicity, minimal syntax, easy to learn. Concurrency, built-in tools for running tasks in parallel using goroutines. Portability, runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux without hassle. Getting started is easy. Go to go.dev download. Download the installer for your OS. Install it and verify by typing Go version in your terminal. Boom, you're ready to go. Let's write the classic hello world in Go. Package main, import, fmt. Func main, fmt, printin, hello, go. Closing curly bracket. Save this as main, go run main, go, and you'll see your first Go output. So there you have it, a quick introduction to Go programming. Let me know in the comments what language you want me to cover next.